I am the happy recipient of a big dog toothbrush. It was given to me so that I could share it with you. It has a round brush head with 15,000 ultra-fine, soft, flexible bristles. My husky gets her teeth brushed every day. I always let her have a few licks, and that tongue of hers never stops. Doing this for the camera put me in a somewhat of an awkward position. In real life, both of us should be comfortable. Please note that I'm holding her lips up and out of the way. I'm not trying to prevent her from moving. When her paw comes up, we stop. Starting slow and then building duration very slowly is the key to successful toothbrushing. That and a good toothbrush that your dog will tolerate. The round brush head means I can put it in pretty much any way. I don't have to worry about positioning the bristles, just getting the toothbrush in between licks. I doubt I'm going to get her to open her mouth wider for me anytime soon. It would be wonderful to brush every side of all her teeth, but for now I'm happy just to get the cheek side of her teeth and maybe the chewing side. Here comes that paw, and we're done.